Here's a handy bit of kit. These are called multi-functional pruners. First of all, the little ribs on the side there is a stem crusher. Then in the middle bit, that's really what you use to dethorn that hole, just to run it along the outside of the branch, taking the thorns off. And this little thing here is really clever. Now, first of all, let me just explain before I tell you what that does. If you're giving something a bit of a trim, if your pruners have to open fully each time, all right, because you can't quite gauge it to half, not only is it taking twice as long, enough hurt in the hand while you're doing it. Now, if I just make this adjustment here, watch, only open partially. Watch it again, open fully, click that in, open partially. So you can do a lot of closer clipping without jarring your thumb and making the job much more effective. There you go. For more information on gardening hints and tips, especially with choosing the right tools, just go to the website, ames-tools.co.uk.